WCA Crash Course, this is Comer, take 1.
It's pretty official.
So when we think of community education, the first question we need to ask... Oh, I'm sorry?
Hi, I'm Christina Oh, sorry.
Okay, do you want me to say welcome to my crash course thing? Are we all doing that? Or?
Yeah, but there's like a whole section. I'm sorry. There's like you gotta scroll a little bit more up.
I was in the zone, Chris.
Oh, Jesus, I got that number wrong. This one's an important one too, so I gotta get it right.
Thanks, Mike.
If we want to continue to do good work, we must be...
Sorry, I'm gonna go back.
Can I just look through it?
I'm so sorry.
All right.
And action.
And he's like, that was the dumbest thing we...
It's so fancy. I am not used to this.
so hard.
Who wrote this?
I don't know what to say.
Well, hello there. I'm Mike Comer. This is my crash course. That's for Christina.
I award you no parts. Cut that out.
I sure hope you guys can cut a lot of this stuff out, Glenn.